Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I've got a very special product. So this is the iPad A16. You can also call it as iPad 11th generation. So this is the Wi-Fi variant, which is a base variant, comes with the storage of 128, which is the base storage, and this is how the box looks. So we have it in this yellow color, slightly looks like a gold color one. So yeah, let me quickly open the box. The package has already been removed. You'll get the pull tabs here, which is similar to what you getting in iPhones these days. So this is how the box comes up. Let me just lift the box. So yeah, as soon as you open the box, we have this iPad itself. So this is how the iPad comes. You can see this is how it looks in natural light. The yellow color looks kind of gold, silverish gold color. So let me just keep this aside for a moment. And apart from the iPad, we have some paperwork here. So these are some basic paperwork. There are no stickers this time, but luckily we have the same charging adapter, which is 20 watt, which Apple sells separately for all the iPhones. So this is the same charging adapter, which is type C to C 20 watt adapter, which comes in the box, which is a good thing. So yeah, this is how the adapter looks, and the cable you see is a type C to C braided cable. Let me keep these aside as well. So that was all the paperwork, and finally here we have the iPad now. So yeah, let me just remove. Okay, so if you have seen my other video in shorts, you might have already seen that this product is already unboxed. So I had to unbox it again for the video purpose. As you could see, there is an Apple logo here, and there is nothing written. For the 10th generation there was mentioned Apple iPad, but here you can see there is the camera here, and at the top you are getting this power key. So this one also acts as a fingerprint. I've got the speakers. So there are speakers on 4 sides. As you can see, it comes with a type C charging. We have the pogo pin here, and yeah, that's much about this laptop. So yeah guys, that was a quick video about this iPad. So yeah, what do you think about this? Do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.